Now it sounds more like thunder. It's so fucking weird. It's increasing. That is no thunder I've ever heard before. It builds up and then it stops for a while.